Hi, this is Andy Myers in for Tom Essaye on Money and Markets TV. Clearly, the big news this week is the latest bailout in the European sovereign debt crisis. Spain is the newest member of the bailout club, joining Greece, Portugal, and Ireland. The ECB agreed to spend 100 billion euros to help shore up Spain's banking sector. The market took the news well. The euro rose sharply, gold fell, and stock futures around the world rallied. But if you look past the headlines, you can see that the bailout isn't quite as welcome as it seems. First off, while 100 billion euros is certainly a lot of money, the true cost of bailing out the Spanish banks isn't even known. We'll have to wait until June 21st for that, when a full audit of the industry is released. The second unknown is the true cost to Spain's economy. It received the bailout without the restrictions and micromanagement that Greece, Portugal, and Ireland have been saddled with. But Spain will ultimately be responsible for the money going into its banks. As a result, the country is taking on even more debt, which is bound to push yields on Spanish government bonds to the moon. In markets such as these, traders and investors have to try and ignore distracting headlines and focus on key indicators that are the true barometers of a crisis. If you're able to do that, you can seize contrarian opportunities when the crowd is reacting the wrong way. In this case, the key indicators are the euro and the yield on Spanish 10-year debt. Regardless of the headlines, these two indicators will tell you whether the crisis has really improved or if the crowd has misread the headlines and become too exuberant. One way to play the market's immediate and misplaced optimism is with the ProShares Ultra Short Euro, ticker symbol EUO. This inverse ETF is designed to rise 2% for each 1% drop in the euro. The fact is, the market wants the crisis in Europe to end, and so the crowd pushed stocks higher on the news of the Spanish bailout. But while it is a positive step, it doesn't solve Europe's problems. Knowing that could help you find a good entry point to profit as the crisis evolves. Because remember, successful contrarian investors look beyond the headlines and past the market's reactions, and instead seek the true effect of news or events. For Money and Markets TV, I'm Andy Myers. Thanks for watching.